Good morning and welcome to day 8 of our Disney vlogs. Today we are leaving the Port Orleans Riverside resort and we are heading to a villa. So I am excited because I do like staying in a villa. It's been great to experience a Disney resort for the first time ever in Florida, and I've really loved it and loved the room.
Oh, it's day 7.
7, 8, depends.
I think it might be 7.
So
it's been a week.
So
it's been 7.
So we've just cleared our room. The bell services have taken our bags. Now because we've got the scooter in the car, we're having to we're going to leave our bags here. We've got some bags in the car and then we're just going to go to the villa. Don't get yourself soaking wet, Poppet. We're going to come back here to grab our bags because I don't think it's all going to fit in the car. One thing we've not experienced since we've been at the resort, and one of the highlights of this resort for us, was the fact that we can get a boat down to Disney Springs. So that's what we're going to do this morning. We're going to go check out and then get on the boat and head to Disney Springs for some food. And then it'll be off to the villa. So as always, come along and check out our villa with us. It's an allocation on arrival villa that we've got with Virgin Holidays, so we don't know where we're staying. We do have our own pool, which Finley is very excited about. I've only been out to the car and I'm already sweating, so it's going to be a hot one I think today. But it'll just be a kind of a mixed day, chilled, but things we've got to get done. So off we go to check out. So that's our building there where the fountain is as well. And this again is the view as we're walking along. It's such a lovely day. There's a boat just down there, that's the kind of boat we'll be going on to Disney Springs. Oh, breeze is good. Welcome the breeze. It is lovely, it is a really lovely resort. I've really enjoyed staying here. But I think I said to my mum what I would probably like. I think I'm happy with how we've done it. That we've split it on half and half, because I do enjoy sort of the space of a villa and your own pool, and to be able to just kind of, especially because you want to go and get a cold drink, you go, well there is a vending machine, like, but you know what I mean, it's, you've got to walk over here. So just being able to have your own space and do what you want when you want, not having to walk miles, is great with the villa. But I've really loved it and I've loved the experience and I would do it again. So I think the 50-50 way we've done it, I think I'm going to enjoy. I mean, I don't know, not been to the villa yet, so we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying having this experience, but I'm now looking forward to the villa experience. So that's what's happening. I mean, you don't get this in a villa, do you? Do you know what I mean? So all this beautifulness. We are in the lobby. We are now all checked out. Wow. So we're going to go grab a drink from the food court to take on our boat journey to Disney Springs. I have a lot of a headache coming, so just need to make sure I drink and eat quite quickly, I would think. There is the Princess Marathon going off this weekend. And don't laugh, but I did look to try and get a place for it because I just wanted the medal. So I was going to do like the 5k or something, but they were all booked up and I wasn't about to do a half marathon. So this is like the main entrance part where you come in, which I think I showed you anyway. I am going to do a full resort tour, so do stay tuned for that. This is a nice boat, Sasagula. It's the River Roost Bar.
Oh, there's a boating.
Well, hopefully we shall get on. We are now just waiting for the boat to come. Oh, I've got some sort of walrus or something with me. So that's where like the dining hall is. Oh, we're blurry. There we go. Over there. And then that is the main pool over there. And we stayed, I believe, in this one here. So we're looking forward to this. And here's the boat. I don't know whether you guys can see, but up in here you can see fish. There they are now.
Alright, you guys, welcome aboard. Just launch this up. We're going up to the French Quarter.
Welcome to Disney Springs. I'll be docking over here on the left, Marketplace dock. Marketplace is the only drop-off and pick-up for Port Orleans Resort. So if you'd like to take the boats back later on, just make sure you're over here at the Marketplace. We also have bus service available back to the resort. You can pick them up. And I give the all clear to go ashore.
We have made it to Disney Springs. This is the dock. So lovely. So nice and peaceful and relaxed. And we haven't got to worry about parking the car or anything now. We can just go get food because we're all starving. Although as Finley keeps pointing out, we're not starving. We are just very hungry. Oh, thanks, gentlemen. This is where Finley was playing when he was little. The last time we came here he was 2.5 and he was running in the fountains and he ran into another little boy, and they said, do you want, I went to get some ice from one of the carts. I was like, I'm going to get some ice, explain what happened, and then they were like, oh, we can get our guys to put it out for you. So I was like, oh yeah, thanks, thinking it'd be first aid. No, they sent an ambulance. So that was quite an embarrassing event. So I think the first things first is get some food for the soaking child. We have found somewhere to eat. We're at Urla Sandwich. If anyone's never been to Urla sandwiches, but the way you do it is like you queue up, order your sandwiches that they need to make, and they give you a buzzer. You then go to the next part where you pay, and then they'll give you like your drinks if you want to get a reusable drink, a reusable or refillable drink. And then you just sit down and wait for your buzzer to go off to go and collect your food. Yeah, I like the Urla sandwich, although they don't do a Philly cheesesteak in this one. The one in Paris they do, this one they don't. Let's see what I got, make sure I like it. I went for French dip, so we shall see how that turns out. Just buzzed, then you go collect it and they put it all in a bag. That must be your sauce. Just for kids, so that would be yours. The original, oh, that is yours. Which leaves me with, oh, today's special. Oh, so let's tuck in. Do you want me to get you a knife or anything, or are you alright like that? So you have the original, let me see.
I'll give you a fresh one.
Yummy. How's your pizza? Good. Here we go. So I went for French dip, which is like beef, cheese and onion. Oh no, don't set these tables with a Pandora because it keeps getting stuck in the things. These are so impressive. Could do with that in my living room. I even settled for the little one. It's only $295. Look at all these little bitty ones. Oh, it's sunny. Very sunny. In fact, I might go in basin and wash my hands. Mom, I'm going in here. So I need to wash my hands. Wow, these are amazing. I've just used Love. And my hand is, not that you can feel by looking at it, but they are so soft.
Comment down below if you see they come up with a plan. Because I'm sure they're coming up with something. Comment down below now.
They didn't see, I didn't vlog that bit. What part?
You've been saying some on the camera, right?
I haven't.
Something's going on.
So that, they are so lovely. My skin is so soft. Yeah, it's lovely, looking soft. I tried Love. It's quite nice. There's all sorts in here. It's a bit like it's kind of like Lush, but on a whole other level in my bag. Oh look, they've got Mickey soap. Oh, I want Mickey soap. Oh, look at them all. So cool. Now this is so cool. You can make your own candles. No, you scoop them up and you'd put them in a little jar.
That looks like indigo.
Well, I don't think I'm a fan of that smell. That's so cool. I'm tempted to do one of these at some point.
Yeah.
Here we go. World, yeah, in there. World of Disney. Steady, because he spits. Can't even see if I'm filming anything because it's so sunny. So it's done it's all had a revamp. Oh my goodness. It really has had a revamp. So modern. So new. Oh, steady, there's people behind us, Mum. I said there was people behind us.
Please have money.
Look how crisp and clean it looks. Oh, I could take home Mickey coffee. Mickey's mornings road down here. Wow, it's kind of overwhelming now. It's opened it all up a lot more, so you can see the open space. It's big. It's busy. But it's full of Disney stuff. Still all this stuff I want. All the Mouseketeer stuff. Still love these. Oh, Oswald hoodie. How cool is that? I was just looking at the design. We just want it all. See the massive doorway, see the massive doorway. So we're back from Disney Springs on the boat. It was so hot. I feel like my face is red. And we've just stopped at the food court to get a drink. And then we're going to head off to get the keys to our villa and then off to the villa. It is super, super hot. I think where we were sat on there, like the sun was on my face. What you got there, kiddo? It's like the whole Disney transportation system on this table. So we're going to walk over, that's where the way we'd walk each time, but we're now going to walk over this way to go over to see the main pool. So that's our food court. There's the boats that we've been on today. Yes, we've not been over this bridge, because I don't think you're supposed to climb over walls when you come to Disney. Don't advise that.
Yeah, it was against your back.
It's just really cute. I do really like it.
Oh, that looks nice.
There's the famous watermill there. And this is the main pool. Just have a bit of a look at the pool. Oh, there's a slide there. Looks quite a good slide. And there's obviously like a little pool bar thing there as well. Just over there. What's it called? Muddy Rivers. It's quite a nice pool. And he's not really one for crowds, so he wasn't bothered about going in this pool because he knew it would be busy. Oh, and there's like a little kiddie pool there. So if you've got your little ones. I like it, I think it looks nice. I'm impressed. Sure we didn't get to go in it, but never mind. That one might be heated. I couldn't tell you if that one was heated because the only pool we went in was one of the quiet pools, which was definitely not heated. It was frozen. So I didn't enjoy my pool time here, but that one potentially could be. With it being the main pool, there's a chance that it may well be. Just have a bit of a closer look there. So, pool hours are from 10 to 8. So it's open for quite a long time. Oh, there's a play area just behind where that's coming out. There's a play area there. It's quite cool. Didn't know that existed either. We're going over another bridge over to Magnolia Blend, and we were Oak Manor. Are you excited?
My heart's pounding. Right, what's the code?
What do you think? We should wait for Susu?
Quickly, Maureen!
Okay.
Right,
So, star. Oh, he's taking his shoes off. Oh, it's rather posh.
Get fire on.
oh my god, this is massive. This is so big. And we've got over here, a massive bathroom. And kitchen. Yes, it's an open. It's an open. What's it here? Oh my god.
Is you on following? I'm not doing the thing yet. I'm
Oh,
just
it's got fire.
I know it's massive. It's massive. I'm looking at it. It's massive.
They smell the same. They all smell the same.
Good size, I tell you, no.
Oh my life.
Come on. That's massive.
Let's check the bedrooms.
The actually lead you to one of the bedrooms back in there. This is one that I'm going to go.
Oh, I love it.
Look at this. Bedroom like the master.
I think this is the master, yeah.
And look, they're down here in the master.
Oh, yes, this is ours.
There's a little fountain in
look
the
at
pool.
that.
Mummy,
Mum.
Mummy, there's a fountain in the pool.
A fountain in the pool.
That's like a little
Wow.
bathing pot.
Hey, is that a thingy as well?
What?
Barbecue.
Barbecue, yeah.
Oh my gosh, I just love here. Let's have a look at the back room.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
Did you say there's 3 bathrooms? I mean, 3
Hi.
bedrooms. Mummy,
So look, we've got a bath.
Mummy, it's a 3
I
bedroom.
don't know. We should have a 2-bedroomed at least.
Yeah.
So that
And
this
what
is
about
bedroom
the
1.
bedrooms?
Oh,
Follow me.
Imagine that's not very light for you.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Wow.
My bedroom.
Cars.
And I think there's another bedroom.
It's like home from home.
Oh my.
Oh wow. I think we're looking at a 4-bedroom, or I'm imagining.
Yeah. 4 bedroom, really?
Well, I would imagine we'd be. Let's come this way. What's down here? That'll be the garage, I think.
Yeah, that's the room, I think. What about another room? Oh,
Let's try down here.
I'm like, oh, mummy. So Daddy's got, and I have to work that. So, can you there? And there's another bedroom. Oh, it's got a fan, this one has.
Oh.
Right, I'm going outside, see you in a minute.
Toilet, a little toilet down there.
It looks small for us. I think it's ready.
It's a shame we've got that. It's the only downside, the road.
It's fine.
So we can have a look
How
at
do you
us over
get
here.
in? How do you get in?
Oh, you don't get in, it's just to look at.
How do you get in?
We've got a barbecue.
Oh no, they're not allowed. From there.
Yeah.
Another one that ran there's moved.
We've got a nice bit of deck in here to do a bit of sunbathing. Oh wow. So this is our street. Now moved to the villa. And we are very happy with it. So this is the street we're on. Funnily enough, we're on Nottingham Way, and we're from Nottingham, so this is our garage. And here it is. Let's go in. Got a nice little seat out here, which is cute. Welcome. In we go. So this is our door, obviously. And then I like this little seating area here. So this is, as you walk in, this is what you see. So there's this area here,
Come in this area.
which
Going
is just, we can't find a light switch for it, but it's just like a little
got the fan though.
cozy. Yeah, it does have the fan.
Little cosy area.
Little cozy area.
Then we've got the little dining.
Then we've got the dining, little flower arrangement there. The dining area, which is a very big dining table. Very grand, all set. Nice little chandelier. And then the big unit here with all the
Yeah, let's come
bits
this
and
way
bobs
first.
in. So this is when you walk in then. You've got your kitchen area, which is quite
Then
large.
Down here.
So you've got your toaster there. A nice big traditional American fridge and freezer, which is empty. We need to go to the shop. Oh, lots of pots and pans. Wow, they're big pans
Where are you? Oh, there.
here. So that's quite good. We could cook up a storm, however, we're probably not going to bother.
Can we go to the garage?
Hang on, we're still going. So this is the sink. Oh, this is quite cute. I've not seen that. We've got a swan with like cleaning stuff. That's funny. The kettle is very important.
Little kettle. Little
The
kettle.
oven, microwave. Is this a coffee machine? Ooh, maybe. Smoothie maker. And then here is the way into the garage.
Let's go to
So you got your washer and your
I
dryer.
just don't get how you go into the
You
garage.
just open it. I didn't lock it. Other way. Oh, has Susu been and unlocked it maybe?
I think she's been in.
Yeah, she locked it. There we go. This is just the garage. There is a light. It does a bit. Very warm in here.
We've got some floaties down there.
Yeah. Your bin, ladders in case you need them. Pardon? Got cones. Oh gosh. Strange thing. That'll be whoever owns it, whoever villa it is, that'll be their personal things. So back out of the garage, there's the living room that you can see there. And there's a massive TV, and we do have a fire, so in case we get a random cold snap in the next couple of days, I don't think that will be of any use. And then there's the main bathroom here.
Not the main bathroom.
Well, it's one of the main bathrooms for like the place. Still got his and hers sinks, toilet, the shower bath thing, and then is this a closet? Yeah, with a few towels in there.
Not many towels.
And then if you were coming with children and you had girls, this would be perfect. Little ballet picture on there. Frozen. There's still a TV and a DVD player and closet there. And then what's next? There's the lamp.
You need to twiddle one.
Oh, that one's not twiddling on.
Oh. Add.
So there we go. There's a Lightning McQueen room, which is cool. 2 single beds. And again, closet here.
Oh,
Oh, there's more towels
wait.
and blankets in here and
What's
pillows.
happening tonight? Just quickly.
There's going to be a Phantasmic show tonight by the pool.
You can film it 'cause it's going to be a longer one.
Oh, wow.
It's going to be quite dark.
So walking through the living room, you've got again another little, I guess, breakfast table, but you do have a breakfast bar. So there's lots of places you can choose to eat. I did tell you that the TV was huge, and I'm not joking.
It's huge.
Through here, we have
A little bathroom where Susie's got a magic band.
a little bathroom here
Maureen's got a magic band. No, I'm going to go
and a shower, and then there's also access to the pool out there. Oh, and a little closet. What's in this one?
This is Susie's.
A few more towels.
This is Susie's bedroom.
Yep.
I'm not going to.
Oh, to the master bedroom. And I decided that I am the master of this trip.
Sure.
So I come back through over here.
This part first.
Okay. And then you come. This is where you go. And then you've got this little area here. It's a nice little cosy sofa. And then there's a,
The pool.
never open these. There we are. Twiddle, twiddle, twiddle. And view to the pool. Sneak peek. But there we've got access to the pool. And then this
It's a master bedroom.
is my bed. Although I think all 3 of us could potentially get in here.
Susie's having her own bed.
Um,
I'm going in this one.
and there's this.
And then we go into
In here there is another TV.
Gosh, it is a massive.
And this is
Restroom.
the bathroom. So you've got a sink there. Hello again. And another sink here.
Hello again.
And a little jacuzzi bath. Ooh. Did not notice that before.
I added her things on.
Hang on. And then a nice walk-in shower,
Let's fill it up.
which is there. No, we're not doing that now. And where's the toilet?
There is not a toilet. There's a toilet here. There's a toilet here.
There we go, the toilet in here. So you've got extra privacy from there, and there's extra storage in there. And
I've got the fountains on in a minute.
here's the walking closet. Is that the light for that? Finley, look, have you seen in here?
Yeah.
That's another closet. The ironing board. So we are absolutely over the moon. So we've come with Virgin. This is an allocation on arrival villa, and we're staying. It is massive. We're staying at Highlands Reserve, which is one that you can book. That's like a named resort area. So we've looked out. We really have looked out because we've been put on a really great community. So I want to say I'm going to get settled, but I need to go back to the Port Orleans to get the cases. Oh, I haven't taken you out to the pool. Sorry. Let's go see the pool. Ooh. Pool area is lovely. So we've got another big table there. So that's like the living room. There's the big dining table, and then this is my little bedroom. I'm like little, not little. There are some deer. I wonder what that was. You can see, look, pretend deer. Aww. The only downside I will say is that there is a road just there. But you know, we've got like the massive wall, which I think covers a lot of it. But it's just where the wall ends. I think that's just Highway 27 right there. But it's fine. So this is the pool. I will show you. We've not uncovered this yet, but this looks like a very decent barbecue under there.
I need to go to the balcony.
And just a cute little fountain. Oh, hang on, it's up here. You push it. And then we've got this area,
Balcony.
like a nice little decking area
Oh my
where
god.
you can come and have a
Well,
look.
this is where you guys will see the view from Fantasmic.
Is it? Oh.
The chairs will be seated here.
So yeah, you see what I mean about the highway being there, but you can't. It's not very loud. So.
Where you'll be seated.
Oh, wow! I'm excited. Very excited. So all in
We
all,
have got
super duper happy with our villa.
we've got a thingy.
Hose pipe.
Who's tied?
So I do like. I
Hose
really
pipe.
loved the Port Orleans resort. Really loved it. And I'm so glad to have finally stayed in a Disney hotel, because every time we've come, we've always stayed in villas. However, I would probably say, again, having seen the villa, and obviously you don't always know what you're getting. It depends. You can book direct with the owner, and you can know what you're getting. So we have looked out. This is a really nice one. But I think, for me personally, I might change my mind on this because it's all still fresh. I haven't actually stayed a night here. But I think for me, I'd like to maybe stay in the villa and then do like a couple of nights in Disney, or the 50-50.
I think I like the villa so far just a little bit more.
Do you?
I mean,
I know. I know. So yeah, I
I feel
think
like a girl right now.
I think maybe villa and then a couple of nights in a Disney hotel is probably the best for us, the best experience. So we'll remember that for next time. So now we're gonna have to.
I've been in pool.
I know the cases, because we've got the scooter. I don't even know if I've already said this. I'm really tired right now. Because
Well, you can't be because you watch Fantasmic.
no, careful. You have to push that in. Don't leave the towel there, Finley.
Yeah.
There.
I didn't think I left it.
Yeah, I don't think I've already said this. Sorry if I'm repeating myself, but because the scooter and the cases won't fit in the car, we've had to leave the cases at Port Orleans, and then love that. And then I've now got to go over. I'm going to take the scooter out the car, and drive back over there. But what I might do is go through a drive-thru or something and bring some food back for all these guys. I don't know. I'll see what the crack is. Let's go find out what's the plan. We have just had a Papa John's delivered.
Oh my.
Why does that look like it's got peppers on all of it?
Has got.
I specifically did half.
Or you can pick them off the ones you've got. Mummy.
Yes, we can.
I mean, it's good for me because I'm good with peppers.
So we're gonna sit and eat this. It's getting quite late. It's like 7:45, and I've still got like an hour's journey ahead,
And then we've still got Fantastic.
and then still got a Phantasmic to happen. So we're gonna eat. So it's a bit of a slow one today. We've not done a great deal, but it still feels like it has been a long day. So it's time for us to get settled down in our new home for the week, and get some
New
sleep.
mansion. New mansion.
I'm not sure what tomorrow has. I have my itinerary on my laptop, but I haven't checked it. I think it might be just kind of like a bit of pool day.
Not very any parks.
I'd like to go to one of the parks at night time to see the fireworks. So I think tomorrow may just be relaxing pool day, getting some supplies for the villa, and then off to a park in the evening for the fireworks. So we shall say goodnight, and we will see you tomorrow, and you know it. And I've got my hands, my Pandora stuck in my hair. There we go.